Most people think machine learning means a computer sitting in front of another computer, watching tutorials and saying, "Today I will improve myself." Nice image. Completely wrong. Machine learning is simply a way of teaching computers to find patterns in data and make predictions without programming every single rule by hand. But here's the real question. If we do not tell the computer exactly what to do, how does it know what the right answer should be? Think about normal programming first. In traditional programming, a human writes clear instructions. If this happens, do that. For example, if the password is correct, allow access. If the balance is too low, reject the payment. The rules come first, and the computer follows them. But some problems are too complicated for humans to write every rule. How would you write every possible rule for detecting spam, recognizing faces, predicting fraud, or recommending the perfect video? That is where machine learning comes in. Instead of giving the computer all the rules, we give it examples. Suppose we want it to identify spam emails, with thousands of emails labeled spam and not spam. The system studies the patterns: suspicious links, repeated phrases, strange senders, unusual wording, and many other signals. Then, when a new email arrives, it predicts which category it belongs to. A simple way to understand it is this. Traditional programming says rules plus data create an answer. Machine learning says data plus correct answers help the computer learn the rules. The rules are not written directly by a programmer. They are discovered by the model through training. A practical example is online shopping. When Amazon recommends a product, someone did not manually write, "If Mujtaba buys this item, show him that exact product next." The system studies behavior, what people click, search, buy, ignore, or return. It finds patterns among similar users and predicts what someone may want next. That prediction is machine learning. A small case study is fraud detection in banking. Criminals constantly change their methods, so fixed rules are not enough. Machine learning systems can study millions of transactions and notice unusual patterns, strange locations, unexpected spending, repeated attempts, or behavior that does not match the customer's history. The system then flags suspicious transactions for review. It does not understand crime like a detective. It detects patterns that look abnormal. But machine learning is not magic. If the training data is bad, the predictions will be bad. If the model memorizes old examples instead of learning general patterns, it may fail on new situations. And if people blindly trust every prediction, small technical mistakes can become serious real-world problems. Historically, machine learning grew from statistics, computer science, and early AI research. The term was popularized by Arthur Samuel in the 1950s while working on a computer program that learned to play checkers. His important idea was simple. Instead of programming every move, let the machine improve through experience. So, in one simple line, machine learning is a branch of AI that allows computers to learn patterns from data and use those patterns to make predictions or decisions. Traditional software follows rules written by humans. Machine learning discovers useful rules from examples. Welcome back to the AI Studio, where we make artificial intelligence simple, visual, and slightly less painful. But if machines can learn from data in different ways, what is the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning? And what happens when nobody gives the AI the correct answers?